Money, 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 money. Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Jojo and you're welcome back to my channel, JojoConnect. Today, I'm going to be talking about how we make money on YouTube. As a matter of fact, I will be explaining to you the best that I can, the difference between the RPM and the CPM and what parts they play in how much you earn or get to keep as a YouTuber. If this sounds to you like a video you like to see, then you want to stay back and watch this video. Okay, you're welcome back to my channel guys. First, I want you to take some time to click on the subscribe button. I also want you to click the notification bell so that you will get to know when I drop a new video. Like I said, in this video, I want to explain to you how we make money as YouTubers. In other words, the RPM and the CPM. How do they affect how much you get to take home at the end of the day as a content creator? So first, what is CPM? The CPM simply stands for cost per mille. In other words, it is how much your video generates for every 1,000 monetized playbacks. And I say monetized playbacks in the sense that YouTube does not pay you on the number of views. Rather, you are being paid on the number of views on ads placed on your video. Does that make any sense? So let's say for instance, your CPM is $15. That simply means your video generates $15 for every 1,000 monetized playbacks. Now, you don't get to keep the entire $15, and that is where the RPM comes in. So what is RPM? RPM simply stands for rate per mille. In other words, it is how much your video is making for every 1,000 monetized playbacks. Now, take note that the RPM is how much you get to keep, whilst the CPM is how much your video generates. Now, you don't end up keeping the entire amount in your CPM because YouTube actually takes 45% of whatever your CPM is. So for example, if your video generates $10, it simply means that you would only get to keep around $5 because YouTube would get to keep 45% of the $10. So when you go to your revenue analytics, you want to concentrate more on your RPM because that is actually what you get to take home, not your CPM. So if your analytics shows that your RPM is $5, that simply means that for every 1,000 monetized playbacks on your video, you get to keep $5. Another thing you need to know is that your RPM and your CPM changes on a daily basis. Today your RPM might be $5, tomorrow might be $10, next tomorrow it might be $15. And this is as a result of the fact that you get new advertisers on your videos on a daily basis. So the RPM will change from day to day depending on when advertisers actually come in to place a new ad on your video. Do you know that you can make more money even with less views on your channel? In other words, you can increase your RPM even though you do not have enough views. What you want to do is to go straight to your analytics section and then go to revenue, change the time period to the last 7 days, and then click on where it says see more. Now, if you scroll through this area, you would notice that your RPM for your individual videos is actually different. You see there are some with less views but with more RPM. That simply means that even with lesser view, you are actually getting more money. In other words, it means that advertisers are actually putting more money on a particular topic in your videos. So what you want to do is to take note of the videos that actually attract more RPM from your advertisers, and then you make more videos relating to subtopics. In other words, replicate the videos, or you can do a part 2 of those videos. In that case, that would fetch you more money even with less views. I hope you've learned something today, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.